Hey guys, if you're running a franchise business or a hospitality business right now, your bookkeeper is probably costing you more than it should, and we're not just talking about dollars. So right now, nearly 80% of Australian small businesses are struggling with cash flow and margins are very tight. We got wages rising, costs of goods, and small business owners with messy books. It doesn't really allow you to make the correct decision making. So I'm Stuart from Priority Books and Tax. I know exactly what it feels like to be a franchise and a small business owner in Australia. I own a current Red Rooster in Perth, and I've started cafes and other businesses in Australia as well. I built Priory because I couldn't find a bookkeeper I actually trusted, who actually had my books clean and up to date, one who wouldn't cost me an arm and a leg while showing up for me, doing the work, and told me the truth about my numbers. So I really do get some of the pain points of what it's like to be a franchise owner and in a franchise, and also just in regular small business and hospitality in Australia. I've had to sleep in my store and do 60 hours a week, sleeping overnight many times to do my own grouting, tiling, cleaning ceilings because I just don't have the margin to outsource that. I've worked alone testing the new late hours, trying 24 hours, trying breakfast menus and different things just to figure out what on-flow costs or if we can actually work within that margin ourselves. I've had to detail different inventory variances and action plan just to make the smallest of savings to make sure we're getting the most out of that gross profit we can. Things like testing the oil efficiencies, how much magnesol, how much filtering is required, and how many times a day just to make $200 at the end of the month in saving. Just on the bottom line. To top it off, I've had ATO debts over $100,000 and I had to dig my way out, make amendments, and just sort of work my way through that. I've had my franchise required bookkeepers when I first started give me my first actual monthly report or P&L report 4 months after I started, which is a real crucial time for when you need those numbers and you need to understand where you're losing money in your gross profit, your labor, or your cost of goods and things like that. I'm passionate about this and I'm passionate to make it better for you and for me. So here's what I'm offering franchise owners and hospitality business owners right now. And it's only for it's a special offer. It's only for a certain amount of clients. We'll beat what you're currently paying in bookkeeping and payroll, and it's guaranteed. Your first month is going to be completely free. So you can see the difference with zero risk and any teething that happens. And if you do your tax with us as an added benefit, we'll beat your accountant's price and transfer between $1,000 and $1,500 directly into your bank account after we've lodged. It's going to be a gift on us. It's not a voucher, it's not a credit, it's cash in your account. So what else? Also, every month you need a P&L for your franchise or whatever requirements you require for your franchise. Once again, we're only taking on a small amount of clients for this special offer. I don't want to be a bookkeeper that has, taking on more 80 or more clients. We don't want you paying too much and getting too little. We want you to get the biggest saving out of this because it's tough right now. And I want to actually know your numbers. Hit the link below. You can book a 15-minute consultation with me and we can discuss your offer and what you're going to pay. However, if you don't want that, hit the link below. We've got a free case study on how I demonstrate some local area marketing that can work for franchise and hospitality businesses itself. So it's no salespersons, no call center. You're just going to talk with me. Hope to talk to you soon.